Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to set up a newsletter subscription tracker in Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, open your Airtable and create a new base by clicking on the plus Add a Base button at the top. Choose Start from Scratch and name your base Newsletter Tracker. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a clean slate to start tracking our newsletter subscriptions. Now that we've done that, it's time to create our table. Click the Add a Table button in the upper left corner, then name it Subscriptions. Each table represents a different aspect of your project, and this one is where we'll track everyone who subscribes to your newsletter. Next up, we need to add fields to our table. These fields are the categories of information we want to keep track of. Click the plus button next to the default name field to add a new one. You'll want fields like email, subscription date, and source. This helps us because it allows us to categorize and understand our subscriber base better. Once you've added your fields, it's time to start inputting data. Click on the plus button in the bottom left corner of the screen to add a new record. Fill in the fields with your subscribers' information. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every time you add a record, you're growing your subscriber list in an organized, easy-to-analyze way. The last step is to create a view. Click on the Grid View button at the top of the screen and select plus Add a View. Name it Monthly Subscriptions and set the filter to show records where the subscription date is within this month. Let me explain why this matters. A view shows a specific subset of your data, so this one will give you a quick overview of your newest subscribers each month. And there you have it. You've just set up a newsletter subscription tracker in Airtable. This tool will help you stay organized and gain insights into your subscriber base. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, the key to a successful newsletter is not just growing your list, but understanding it as well. Until next time.